The library was founded in 1939, so we've just hit the 80-year mark.
We serve the entire parish of East Baton Rouge.
We have about 250,000 cardholders and a 14-branch library system.
We met East Baton Rouge at the American Library Association in New Orleans in 2018.
So the challenge we faced was storage. We have several renovation projects planned over the years for different branches.
We needed a space to store the books and materials from those libraries as construction happened.
During discussions with East Baton Rouge, we learned that they were having a lot of storage issues during renovations and remodels.
As those branches are renovated, we need to move collections out of the building and then store them somewhere and move them back once the renovation is done.
So we had to come up with a solution that would work for them that didn't involve temporary storage off-site that they would need to rent.
We chose SCHAEFER with the help of Scott Tech.
The SCHAEFER Laundromat uses the available height in an already existing building to help reduce the amount of actual floor space that the collection will use inside of a library.
Rather than have bookshelves like we are here at East Baton Rouge Public Library, we can use the footprint of a bookshelf and we can use the vertical space that nothing else is using. Within that vertical space, we can assign different heights on trays so that you can have different product dimensions. And when the system is being utilized properly, it measures that and finds a location within the system to store that tray.
The vertical lift modules were a perfect solution for us.
The SLL could use multiple software packages. We offer PickPro software through a dealer partner, which they're going to use here at the library. We have our own internal software, which is called Walma software. Walma software can run one machine or it can run the whole building. We have a couple different security features on this machine. From the VNC touchscreen, the 17-inch monitor, you have a username and password to access any trays. Once you're within that parameter, you can lock out individuals from certain trays and certain parts within those trays. Another feature we have is a physical barrier. It's a bifold door behind the pick window, so when the tray's accessed, it opens up, it brings the tray to the pick window, and it closes access behind the tray so no person can enter the machine. In this application, we're going to store volumes of books. However, we can go into applications for production, for kitting, for security. It's got a wide range of applications.
I see the East Baton Rouge parish moving and adding more units to their remodels, allowing for larger collections to provide for their patrons without actually having to do large extensions or or even get new buildings.
It's nice to know that they're all in one place in a building that we own and that we don't have to rent space. It's easy to get things in and out of the units. It just makes for a better experience.
Yes, I would definitely recommend this SCHAEFER solution. It's been a great tool for us for storage, and it's a safe place for our collections that we plan to bring back to libraries once our renovation projects are over with.